What up, guys? Doing a little shopping around Ross. Currently getting oil change. Walked over to the Ross, found a couple goodies. Stopped at Starbucks first. Just got me a cart. Hands were getting too full. Checked out the racks. Got me some Laker shorts, some Mickey shoes. This nice Mickey sweater here. Not sure what brand it is, but it's a medium, so don't gotta worry about it. Pretty empty in here in North Lake. Checked out the shoes, checked out the shirts to make my way around. See what we can get up into next. Saw a couple things I like already, so I had to get the cart. Yeah, shopping at Ross. Next item up, I think I'm gonna have to cop these. These boys don't want to see me, and boys and girls, so I don't discriminate. They don't want to see me on the pong table. $6.99. We can do that. Also looking for some workout gloves. Your boy was told he was too unhealthy. Got to start working out. So yeah, got to follow doctor's orders. We'll see what we find. Almost thought I found some gloves, but these are for like football. These look like more workout gloves, but let's see what we got here. Training gloves. I don't know, let's try them on. $3.99? Hey, let's try them on. I don't know what y'all think. A little snug, but probably do the job. Nice grip. Look like I'm about to go do some multiple heinous crimes. Found some other ones. So these are large, extra large. These are $1 more. These are Nicole Miller's. I'm not sure who that is, so I'm not gonna buy them. Oh, you little youth size superstar Adidas. I like this little logo back here. Looks like a chameleon. Pretty clean. Little girl shoe. We got some fall, some Halloween pillows. Can't bring the wife over here. She'll blow the whole check on these damn pillows. No, they're not too bad sometimes. What we got up here? Shit, 15 bucks for a pillow. Around there. Found these in the wild. I believe these might be the J. Cole's. They got the Dreamer logo back here. But not bad. No, I don't really mess with Dream, but put them back. Jack Skellington. Some Mickey. There's a big Mickey down there. Mickey. I know we got a couple of these, but I'm not sure which ones. I'm gonna get this one for Aubrey's room. For the girls' room. These are pretty cool. Little fall cups. We like to use plastic cups in our household, so Halloween, these are cool. Yeah, we got kids that like to break stuff, so we don't mess with glass. This is cool too. Some Winnie the Pooh, some Harry Potter. We got some Frida Kahlo open up here. Okay, look at Ross been diversified. More Harry Potter stuff. Oh, this is dope right here. I might have to cop this. Put it in the man cave. Got to. It's pretty clean too, but I'll have to come back for this one. More Mickey kitchenware set. Got some Star Wars. What, mug with the chopsticks? Okay. We all ramen lovers. Oh, we got some dog costumes. Okay. What's this one? Jocelyn. Oh, some sweaters. Pick up the patch. Pick of the patch. Trick or treat. Boo. OG. Whatever that is, pumpkin. Man, they got some pretty good stuff here. Little dogs. Okay, look at the bags real quick. Nice little leather, faux leather Mickey Mouse. We got another one back here. This one's pretty clean, but this isn't Mickey. That's Looney Tunes, I think. Yeah, I think I've seen that one before though. Here's another one. It's more of a neoprene type of material. 22. Another red one back there. Same material. So we're back at the crib after a 3-hour oil change. Show you what I got. Some of the stuff I showed. Pong. I got the Laker shorts, some workout training gloves. Got the Jack and Sally carpet for Aubrey. Got the shoes, and then I got the Virgin Mary or Virgen de Guadalupe. Yep, that's it. It was about 50 bucks, I think. 56. Not too bad. Couple different things. But yeah. Check y'all on the next one.